Well, hello again, all my fluid art friends. It's Doris at DF Designs. I have a problem with my heat gun, so probably for the next couple of days, I'm going to be doing nothing but alcohol inks. Okay, I'm using some 99% alcohol. I'm using some of my Spectrum Noir True Black and some Molotov liquid chrome, and I did something different. I combined it all in a bottle. So I've already shaken it up a little bit. So I'm going to fast forward through this. The only air I'm going to be using, if I can get my cord unstuck, is my Conair. And I'm going to be using it because I found out when I'm doing alcohol inks, I keep getting my head under there too much. So anyway, I'm going to start doing this, and I'm going to play music and fast forward it because alcohol inks take a while to do. So anyway, here we go. Okay, I'm having a problem seeing the silver. I don't know why. So I'm going to add a little bit more alcohol because I want to get it moved around a little bit more. But I also am going to add, let me shake this up. I'm going to add a little bit more of this right here. And then I'm going to put 1 drop of silver there. Yeah, it's spreading it out. I'll do 2. Now I have some 99% in a little bottle, so I'm going to use that. And then I will speed it up while I turn on the hair dryer. So let's see what we get here. going to call this one finished, because what I was trying to do there at the end around the edge was I was trying to get, I still got some sharp edges, but I was trying for some wispy, okay? I don't know if I got it. To me it looks like it is, but I don't know. I ended up running out of this. I don't want to use it out of here because that's got too big of a hole. So anyway, let me know down in the comments what you think. I will do a close-up picture at the end because it's kind of hard to see it the way it is. So, and I also was trying to do this as one color with the metallic. So let me know what you think down in the comments. If you liked it, please subscribe and hit the little bell for the notifications. If you really liked it, give me a thumbs up below the video. And I will see you in my next video. Stay tuned for the close-up photograph. Bye for now.